Maraming maling akala sa usaping mana-mana. Let's bust the myths on estate planning and settlement of estates. Iwas gulo, iwas gastos. Myth number 1, estate planning is only for the rich. Kahit simpleng bahay o may konting ipon, estate planning is for you. Hindi kailangan ng milyon-milyon para magplano. Ang kailangan mo, peace of mind. Myth number 2, bahala na sila pag wala na ako. Please wag. This usually ends in a lot of stress and group chat screenshots. Planning is your last act of love. Myth number 3, may utang pa ako, hindi ko kailangan yan. Your estate includes not only your assets but also your liabilities. Planning helps your loved ones protect what is left. Sana may matira pa. Myth number 4, pinangako ko na yan kay ate o kay kuya. Verbal promises don't count in court. Kung walang papel, walang saysay. Kahit may screenshot pa yan. Myth number 5, magastos gumawa ng will. Mas mahal ang court case kaysa paggawa ng will. Prevention is cheaper than litigation. Myth number 6, pang matanda lang yan, bata pa ako. Life is unpredictable. Estate planning is not about age, it's about being prepared. Myth number 7, may will na ako, tapos na ako dyan. The will needs review. Nagbago na ba yung circumstances? Hiwalay na ba kayo ni ex? Baka may nauna nang namatay sa'yo. Myth number 8, basta nasa pangalan ko, akin yan. Ownership needs to be legally transferred, especially at the time of death. Hindi pwedeng sabi-sabi lang. Myth number 9, pag may will, matik na yan. Mali, kahit may will, kailangan pang i-probate yan. If there's a will, there's a lawsuit. Hindi yan plug and play. Myth number 10, okay na yan, wala naman nagre-reklamo. Walang reklamo. For now, disputes can come years later. Better to settle while everyone's in speaking terms. So estate planning is not about how much you have. It's about how much you care. So plan early, update regularly, and for the love of all things legal, put things in writing and do it with a lawyer.